Welcome back. After more than a year, many folks suffering from storm damage are still in need of some help today. Hillsborough County held another disaster recovery intake session, helping homeowners who continue to struggle out there. 10 Tampa Bay News reporter Eric Glasser shows you what's going on.
Well, it didn't take long for a small line to form early this afternoon here at the Maureen Gaza Public Library. Folks hoping that today would finally move their recovery forward. For Tom Ramore, today's event was all about trying to become whole again.
Well, yeah, we have roof damage, and again, the insurance won't cover that. In other words, they're not going to replace the roof. I have to replace it.
Hillsborough's owner-occupied rehabilitation program takes place annually. Applications available in person and online. But this year,
the number has increased exponentially, being that we are on the heels of 2 hurricanes, major disasters that just passed through.
Applicants got a chance to sit down with county staff and begin or review applications for home repair or flood relief funds. Homeowners may ultimately qualify for up to $100,000, including some who'd all but given up.
And I've tried pretty much every kind of service out there, and then I came across this one. So I'm hopeful.
The program focuses on single-family homes lived in as primary residence for at least 2 years. Applicants also have to meet certain income requirements. For many, today's event was their first real chance to understand what help is still available, even after more than a year, and what the path forward looks like.
It just seemed like a good opportunity, so why not try?
And hopefully from there, we'll just see what happens.
For those unable to make it out to today's Q&A session, there will be at least 3 more in Hillsborough between now and mid-December. For folks in Pasco County, the Better Future Individual Housing Program, which is very similar, is holding an informational session tonight. That starts at 6 p.m. at the historic Pasco County Courthouse in Dade City. In Tampa, Eric Glasser, 10 Tampa Bay News.
All right, Eric, and applications for that program will be taken through February. At that point, though, those applications will be reviewed, and county officials say contractor work on the homes that qualify should begin within 60 days after that.